How to delete pins on Pinterest. Begin by opening your Pinterest app. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture. Click on this to access your personal Pinterest profile. Next, navigate through your collection of pins until you locate the specific one you wish to remove. Once found, click on the pin to open its detailed view. In the expanded pin view, look for the three dots, often referred to as the More Options button. Click this dots and select Edit from the drop-down menu that appears. At this point, you'll be presented with the pin's edit screen. Look towards the bottom left corner where you'll find the Delete option. Select this to initiate the removal process. Pinterest values user certainty, so you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. If you're sure about removing the pin, select Delete once more to finalize the action. Following these steps will successfully remove the chosen pin from your Pinterest account.